Do you come here often?
Hi, weather.
Sorry?
Bye!
Look who's back. The weather guy.
Okay, let me try that again. Hi, I'm Tom.
I'm Nora.
Nora, can I ask you a better question than the weather?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom.
Tom, I want to start today with a real question. Have you ever liked someone and your brain just stopped working?
Oh, Lily. Please, not today.
That was not a no.
That was a very loud no, a screaming no.
Okay, listen everyone. This is the situation. You meet someone nice, maybe at a coffee shop, maybe at work. Maybe your friend introduces you.
And your heart goes boom, boom, boom.
Exactly. And then you open your mouth, and what comes out?
Hi, weather.
Hi, weather?
I said hi, weather. 2 words, like a robot, and then I walked away.
You walked away?
I walked away with confidence. That is the important part.
Oh, Tom. Okay, so here is the thing. So many of you write to us about this. You want to talk to someone you like. You want to say yes to a date, but the English does not come out.
And it is not because your English is bad. It is because your heart is fast.
That is such a good point. When we are nervous, we forget everything, even the easy words.
So, what is the fix?
Sentences, ready-made sentences, short ones. You keep them in your pocket and you pull them out when your brain goes blank.
Oh, like a first date survival kit.
Yes! Today, we are giving you that kit. How to start the conversation, how to ask a question that is not boring, how to say, I like you without dying.
Without dying? That is a strong promise, Lily.
Stay with us and you will get it. And Tom, at the end, you are going to tell everyone what happened at the cafe on Saturday.
Lily, no.
Oh, yes.
Fine, but you have to help me.
I always do. Now, before we start, this is Daily English Talk. We upload a new lesson every single day. That's 120 videos already and 60,000 of you learning with us.
60,000? That's a small city of English learners.
So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. 1 video a day and your speaking gets stronger week by week.
And if you are watching us again, thank you. You are the reason we keep going.
Okay, let's talk about dates. Tom, before you say anything, I need to tell everyone one small detail.
Lily, we agreed.
We agreed you would tell the story. I never agreed to be quiet.
This is a betrayal.
Everyone, listen. Tom said, hi, weather. He walked away, very cool, very confident, very fast.
Correct.
But 10 minutes later, he went back into that cafe.
Lily.
And when he came out again, he was holding something in his hand.
Oh, no.
So here is my question for all of you. What do you think Tom was holding when he walked out of that cafe? Think about it. Really think. Because I promise you, nobody guesses it.
Wonderful. Now 60,000 people are thinking about my hand.
Type your guess. I want to see how close you get. Okay, Tom, start from the beginning.
Fine, but you are helping me tell it.
So, Saturday. Where were you?
The little cafe near the park, the one with the yellow chairs.
I love that place.
So I am standing in line, and there's a girl in front of me. She orders, she turns around, and she smiles at me.
She smiled first?
She smiled first.
Tom, that is a green light. That is the easiest situation in the world.
I know. I know that now.
So, what did you do?
I froze.
You froze.
My mouth opened, my brain closed.
Okay, this happens to everyone. Keep going.
So, she says, "Do you come here often?" A perfect question. An easy question. A gift.
A gift.
And I said, "Hi, weather."
Tom.
And then I turned around and I walked out the door.
You walked out? You did not even get your coffee?
Willie, I paid for that coffee. I left it on the counter. That coffee is still there.
Oh, my heart.
I stood outside on the street and I thought, Tom, what are you doing?
And what were you doing?
I was scared, not of her, of the silence. I was scared she would ask a question and I would have nothing to say.
Tom, that is honest. And I think a lot of people watching feel exactly that.
Right?
Yes, it is not the English. It is the fear of the empty space.
So how do you fill the empty space?
With questions. Always with questions. If you ask, she talks. If she talks, you have time to breathe.
That is so simple.
It is simple, but it works. When I am nervous, I stop trying to be interesting. I try to be interested. Big difference.
Say that again.
Do not try to be interesting. Try to be interested.
I am writing that down.
So, 10 minutes later, you went back in.
I went back in.
And
she was still there, sitting by the window, and she looked at me and she said, "The weather guy."
she called you the weather guy.
She called me the weather guy, and Lily, something happened. I laughed, and when I laughed, the fear was just gone.
Oh, Tom.
So I said, okay, let me try that again. "Hi, I'm Tom."
Yes.
And she said, "I'm Nora." And I said, "Nora, can I ask you a better question than the weather?"
Smooth.
It was not smooth. My voice was shaking.
Shaking is fine. Shaking and speaking is 100 times better than silent and perfect.
We talked for 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
40 minutes about her job, about her cat, about the worst movie she has ever seen.
And what is the worst movie she has ever seen?
She would not tell me. She said it is a second date question.
A second date question, Tom. That means there is a second date.
Maybe.
And then you walked out holding something.
And that is where the story stops.
Everyone keep guessing. Tom is not talking.
Tom is not talking.
Fine. Then let's teach them how to do what you did because, Tom, the second time you did everything right. Okay, grammar time, and today it is beautiful because we only need one thing. Questions.
Just questions?
Just questions, because a conversation is not you talking. A conversation is you asking and then listening.
Okay, everyone, get your notebooks.
There are two types of questions. Type 1, the closed question. Yes or no?
Like, do you like coffee?
Perfect. Do you like coffee? And the answer is?
Yes.
And then?
Silence. Terrible, terrible silence.
Exactly. Closed questions are fine, but they close the door. So we use type 2, the open question.
The what questions?
Yes. What, where, when, why, who, how. These questions open the door.
Give me the structure, Lily, slowly.
Okay. What word plus do or does plus subject plus verb.
Example.
What do you do for fun? What do you?
Where do you usually go on the weekend?
Beautiful. Where do you go?
And with he or she?
Then we use does. What does she like? And listen carefully. After does, the verb has no S. Not does she likes, just does she like.
Ah, the S jumps to the front.
The S jumps to the front. I love that.
I am a genius.
Sometimes. Now one more. The magic question for a date.
The big one.
Would you like to? This is polite. This is soft. This is not scary.
Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
Perfect. And the structure is easy. Would you like to go?
Would you like to?
Grab. Would you like to try?
Never would you like to going.
Never. The verb stays naked. No ing, no s, nothing.
The naked verb.
Tom, please.
I am helping people remember.
Okay, so remember, would you like to grab a coffee sometime? That sentence is your best friend today. Now, 6 phrases. 6 real phrases you can use tonight.
Let's go.
Number 1, to break the ice. It means to say the first thing, to start the conversation when it feels cold and awkward.
Like the first crack.
Exactly. Somebody has to break the ice, and it can be you.
Lily, I have a story.
Of course you do.
Okay, at my cousin's wedding, I sat at a table with 8 strangers. Nobody talked. Nobody moved. It was like a museum.
Very romantic.
So I picked up the little card on the table and I read the menu out loud in a very serious voice like a news reporter.
You did not.
Tonight, chicken. In other news, potatoes.
Tom!
And everybody laughed, and then everybody talked for 3 hours.
Aw, you broke the ice.
I broke the ice with potatoes, so you can break it too.
Number 2, small talk. Small talk is the easy, light conversation at the beginning. The weather, the coffee, the place.
I have experience with weather.
You are the weather guy.
Thank you, Lily. Very kind.
But listen, small talk is not stupid. Small talk is the door. You walk through the door and then you get to the real conversation.
So how long do we stay in small talk?
30 seconds. Then you ask an open question and you move.
30 seconds.
My story. Last year, I was at a friend's dinner. A girl next to me said, "This soup is very hot." Classic small talk.
Very classic.
And I said, "It is. Are you a person who likes spicy food or are you a gentle food person?"
A gentle food person.
And she laughed and she told me about her grandmother's cooking and we talked for an hour. From soup, from one hot soup.
From soup to friendship.
Number 3. This is a full sentence and I want you to memorize it. What do you do for fun?
Why is that better than what do you do?
Because what do you do means what is your job? And jobs can be boring or stressful or a sad topic.
Ah.
But what do you do for fun? People love that question. Their eyes get bright.
It gives them permission to be happy.
Tom, that was beautiful.
I have moments.
And my story is short. I asked a taxi driver, "What do you do for fun?" And he told me he builds tiny wooden boats.
Tiny boats.
Tiny boats! He showed me a photo at the red light. Best taxi ride of my life. Number 4, to hit it off. It means 2 people like each other immediately. The connection is fast and easy.
Like from the first minute.
Yes, we hit it off right away.
Nora, that is exactly what happened with Nora.
Say it in a full sentence.
We hit it off right away.
Beautiful. And notice, this is past tense. Hit, hit, hit. It does not change.
So we hit it off, never we hitted it off.
Never. Please never.
Everyone say it with me. We hit it off.
My story. I met my best friend Sarah in a very long airport line. 4 hours.
4 hours?
4 hours. And by hour 2, we were showing each other photos of our families. We hit it off completely. 10 years later, she is still my best friend.
From a line.
From a line. Number 5. This one is a feeling. Butterflies in my stomach.
Butterflies, little animals inside you.
It means that nervous, excited, fluttery feeling when you like someone or before a big moment.
I know this feeling very well.
Say it.
I had butterflies in my stomach.
Perfect. And here's the important thing. Butterflies are not bad. Butterflies mean you care.
Butterflies mean you care.
So do not run from them. Say hello to them.
Hello, butterflies.
Yes, my story. Before my first video on this channel, I had so many butterflies. My hands were cold. I read my notes 20 times.
You? Never.
Me! And now, 120 videos later, I still get a few. And I'm glad. It means this still matters to me.
So if you have butterflies before you speak English, you are not broken. You are alive.
Number 6, the big one. The one you came for.
The big one.
Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
Why grab? Why not drink?
Because grab is casual. It is light. It says, this is not a huge, serious thing. It is just coffee. No pressure.
Small word, big difference.
And notice, sometime, not tomorrow at 4 p.m., sometime. It gives the person space to say yes comfortably.
Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
Beautiful. And you can change the ending. Would you like to grab lunch sometime? Would you like to see that exhibition sometime?
Okay, my story. And this is a painful one.
My favorite kind.
2 years ago, I liked a girl at my gym. For 6 months, I said nothing. 6 months!
6 months?
And then one day, she moved to another city, and I never asked. Not once.
Oh, Tom.
So listen to me, everyone. The no is not the worst thing. The worst thing is never asking. The worst thing is 6 months of silence and then an empty gym.
Tom, that is the best thing you have said all year.
I am on fire today.
You are. Now we want to hear from you.
2 things.
First, tell us in the comments, what is your go-to question when you meet someone new? Write it in English. We read them all.
And second, you know what to do. Tom walked out of that cafe holding something in his hand. What was it?
Guess. Go on.
Nobody will get it.
Somebody might.
Nobody will get it.
Okay, that is our lesson for today.
And listen, if you are watching this and there is someone you like and you have been quiet for weeks or months or 6 months,
Very specific number, Tom.
very specific, just go and say hello. Ask one open question. That is all. One question.
Your English does not have to be perfect. It has to be brave.
Brave, not perfect.
We are Daily English Talk, and we upload a brand new lesson every single day. Every day, no breaks.
120 videos, 60,000 of you, and we are just getting started.
So subscribe, turn on the bell, and come back tomorrow.
Practice out loud today. Say the 6 phrases in the mirror. Feel silly. It works.
Thank you for learning with us.